sec, you meathead.
I can make it by, man.
Happy birthday, dog.
Thanks, G.
Big rip today.
We'll have some fun.
Here, I'll get out of your way. Old shitty Mac, she's still running. Just needs an NSBU switch, we've learned. So thank you to everyone on Instagram that's been letting us know what the fuck's wrong with this thing so I can just keep bagging it. But yeah, we're loaded. Look, we're gonna go up Hunters again because, well, I think it's the best snowmobile club and zone in Canada right now. And they just keep getting better. It's unreal. Justin Evans, the president there, go give him a follow. Dude, the guy's out there riding all day and then he goes up at like 10 and he grooms all night. His kids join him. Unreal. We even got a nice little tube for Jill yesterday. Friggin' hot. She looked hot with it. And then thank you to SRP for my toque. We don't sell them on the website right now, so nice to get a freshie. But yeah, without further ado, we're gonna go and find some snow and hopefully get some shots of Haley for his B-Day. Big dirty 30 on the 30th, so it's a champagne birthday. I did not know what that was until I was informed, but it's a big deal. So we're gonna make the most of it. And then also, we got some fucking wicked news. Bodie, the giveaway winner, he is coming today to pick up his sled. So we're gonna get to meet him afterwards and just keep the good vibes rolling. And then we're gonna go to Moose Mullies and fucking hit some fucking muff divers later. Well, let's get her.
I fly like paper, get high like planes. If you catch me at the border, I got visas in my name. If you come around here, I'll make them all day. I get one down in a second if you wait. I fly like paper, get high.
So I don't know how long this is gonna last for, but me and Jilly, we just took a little dip off of the trail. Had to get warmed up, get stuck. Hopefully we're not stuck still. What are you doing, bud?
Are you okay?
You okay?
Yeah, you're just in my way, so I'm like, well, might as well do something reckless. Good job, you guys. I was like this, and you just kept going.
Okay. Not too bad. We found a line. Huh? We found a line. We're good.
Okay.
Now we gotta go lose all this progress we made. Now Haley's sorted. Our turn. Okay, Mariah, can you hear us? Okay, let us know if we start getting too far away. Oh, we are not making that. Oh, we are so not making that. fucked now.
Oh my god. Where the fuck are we?
Haley, we're gonna need some help. See how far Haley makes it. Watch your ears and grab your... It's deep, bro, wherever you go.
This is wild.
Dude, I think you can go lower and loop around down there.
What?
But you can go lower, there's an opening there. But it's fucking... I thought we had that, but definitely didn't. That wasn't so bad. Look how easy this is. There we go. That's why. It's better than hitting a tree, hon.
Yeah.
Well, this is definitely worse than the last one. Okay. Now we gotta try and make it through That's hard. It's almost easier with you. Whew. Oh, we made it. There they are. Yeah, girl. Look at that roost.
Funny to run into you guys here.
We got stuck close.
We got pretty fucking stuck too.
I went and heard brought down below and I'm like, oh, okay. And then I seen the trail.
Oh, that took forever. Now, the meadow's fucking all ripped up. Uh-oh. Oh, holy fuck, eh? Okay, well we finally made her out. Got Mariah down. Same meadow as last winter, it's a little bit different view. I'm gonna go right to the cabin, I think.
So, what do you think? Just bust off?
No, let's go back out. Take the trail back. I feel like if we bust off here in the flat, we won't know where the fuck we are.
Alright, go up, go the trail, and then down.
Because we got... Yeah, dude.
Dude, these gloves are unreal.
Yeah, doggy.
Those grip, they're just Watson from Smithers.
Yeah. Oh, stupid head. Gotta stop doing that shit. Oh no! I don't know where he went. Guess we have to find him. Oh, there you are! Attaboy. It's taking a few start filming these.
Which direction are you of me?
These ones.
Facing up the hill? To the left or right?
I'm coming down.
Perfect. Too fucking tight here for you guys.
Wow. My poor track. Fuck no, it's perfect, dude, for learning. Didn't even air it. Oh. Didn't even air that one either. That almost went so bad. That's what I'm talking about, bro.
Yeah, boy.
Thank God. That's my dog. Okay. I'm letting being tired get the best of me here. Oh, take a breath. We're not puking this time. Oh. Easy. Save myself all that work. Having fun now?
Yeah, that almost hurt. I came up, it was going really good, and then it just started to lean this way. I could have leaned and throttled, but I just stopped. And I got thrown off the side and was like, I just body checked the tree. I just love trees. No, that was good though. I'm getting it. It's still really tight in here, but I can learn. It's a good thing I have this
Yeah.
to help. Fastball on our old tracks. Holy! That was way easier
easier than I thought. Now, I honestly owe a thanks to Muskoka's videos, because riding the exact same sled, you watch enough, you fall asleep to listening to the guy throttle, you kind of learn how to just know what to look for when you're in the situation if you just watch his shit enough. Like, I've never fucking pulled shit like this until today, or unless you think the other videos I have, but I think last year I was quite dog shit compared to this, and so thanks Matt for the cheat code videos. It's more fun to go look for them, might as well. Oh, and you can turn up.
Turn up and then boost in. Nice job making it to the trail.
Yeah, I'm less scared now.
Oh, that's good.
Now that we know how to get up and out. Oh, there we go. Attaboy. That's my dog. Okay, let's see if we can just turn and burn up. Try not to get stuck. I'm feeling it, sure. What the fuck? Dude, this sled is such a fucking cheat code, Wow, I got so lucky, man. I need to learn how to use the brake better with this fucked up finger. Oh, we like to measure in sea hairs here. I'd say that's about 15 sea hairs. Lots of clearance. Okay, that was a long one. Time for a break. Party!
Hey! You look kind of done skis.
So tired.
Yeah. One more? Looks a little holy.
fun. Should have took this trail down. Well, I did that too late. I thought we could do a re-entry, and then I pussied out. Sorry, love. I'm gonna kick your ass.
I just landed on that.
Atta girl. We're stuck. I stuck us. Oh my god, babe. Oh shit. We tried it. You okay? You want to kill the engine? Trade it. Sorry, hon.
I had a feeling that was gonna happen.
A little softer than last year.
Oh, it's great.
I'll get you out. But you want it. Okay, you need to get off. Okay.
That's the greatest trick right there. No, oh, that's from your track. You spread snow all over.
Yeah, dog! Dude! Nope. Too much weight. We just got down from the mountain in time for Bodie to come grab his sled. I'll hand you the camera. You want to film this when he comes in and get his like reaction and shit?
He's the one in the sweet mega cab.
Yeah, I'm just gonna run in. Yeah, keep coming back.
He rolled up in this dope ass mega K.
Oh, right there, it's good. You excited? You gonna cry a bit or give us a show?
What up? What up?
Yo!
She going, boys? Got the winner here.
Yes, sir. Me?
She go. Yeah, it's both of us. We're gonna have to share.
Here's the payment for storage.
Whoa! Storage tastes good.
There it is, man. Holy fuck. Nothing's deadly, bro. Yeah, dude. That's awesome. Oh, yeah. So stoked. She's all yours. Yeah, we can figure out the paperwork later. And it's ready to go. All you need to do is buy a pack of it. Okay. Yeah, dude, we just today we were fucking around with it, and you can put a lot. It's sick. I have one of those packs. Dude, yeah, and this is I got like one for my cameras with the foam and shit in it for like 100. But
What do you?
all I gotta do is actually just gotta give you a suit. And then it's just we did his, and then we realized where we put rivets where we shouldn't have, and then that's about it. So and everything, yeah, we did figured that out, bro. Yeah, you lucked out. The fucking Smith, great guy, he came in like the last 2 weeks, and he's like, "You guys want bumpers for this thing?" And we were like, "Yeah, sure." But fuck, too bad. I can go ride it, but hopefully we can meet up again. Like, in February, I'm planning to come back and shit. So
No, I'm busy with work, but springtime for sure.
we can book a trip through Bryce here, and we'll both come stay and wrench on it.
You can just leave this here if you want. Yeah. We'll park it over there. There might be a couple more scratches when you come next time, but they're okay. I'll make sure it's working perfect.
I promise. The only scratches on it are from the dumb fucking skidoo covers.
Yeah, I'll work out.
I was gonna bring mine
The
to
players for it. Yeah, it's scratched out.
What do you think, dude? Can you even fucking believe it?
No, I can't.
Did you think like you would actually have a chance at winning?
No. I was like, oh, I'll just buy these few things, get in there, try it. I still can't believe I won it.
You got a couple. What's your other sled that you got?
2019 Pro 850.
Okay, we'll call it your old sled
My
now,
old sled,
because
yeah.
you got this girl.
Yeah.
As promised, here's your suit. Oh, dirty, composed on the floor. Oh, yeah. Everybody that shopped ridefastcrew.com is a team player. Play the part. There's me in that thing. Don't forget the hat.